Hello guys, in this video we'll be seeing some sample questions of PTQ and learning the best process to solve this kind of questions. The best way to solve a PTQ is by the process of elimination. We should first eliminate all the options which we think are incorrect, and from the correct options we should choose the best options. So this is the question which was asked by the NATA mock test. Let us try to solve this question. So the question is, which of the following four terms describes the picture? Let us see the options. Autumn is ruled out because in autumn the forests are not so green. Evergreen can be an option. Barren is ruled out. Distortion is ruled out. Perspective can be a correct option because trees are in the perspective. Complexity is ruled out because there is nothing complex. Highlands is ruled out because it is not mountains. Lowlands can be an option. Grassland is ruled out. Field is ruled out. Avenue is ruled out. In winter also the forest is not so green, so that is also ruled out. This does not look like a twilight. It looks like a noon or evening time, so twilight is also ruled out. Lush underground is also not seems to be a correct option. Vertically, yes, it is a correct option because all the trees are vertically upwards. Horizontally, it is not a correct option. So the best options are evergreen, perspective, lowlands and vertically. So let's solve this question. From below given words, choose four most appropriate words which describes the picture. Actually, this picture is of Raja Ravi Verma's famous painting, and this painting is called Galaxy of Musicians. So we need to choose the options which are the most appropriate for this paintings. So out of all the options, the four correct options which describes this picture are warm colors, musicians, entertainment and painting. Let's see another question. From below given words, choose four more appropriate words which describes the picture. So guys, this is a famous Gond painting. So we need to choose the options which are most appropriate for these kind of paintings. So first option is balance. Yes, it is a balanced painting. Gond painting. Yes, this is a Gond painting. So this is a correct option. Embroidery is a wrong option because this is not an embroidered painting. It is made by herbal colors. Kalamkari is a wrong option. Fears. Yes, the animals in this painting look fierce. So it is a correct option. Sculpture is a wrong option. Folk art is a correct because this is a folk art painting. Hunting is a wrong option. Madhubani painting wrong option. Leather painting wrong option. Tanjore painting wrong option. So four correct option is balance, Gond painting, fears and folk art. So guys, basically PTQs are testing our observation skills and general knowledge. So we should have good observation skills and good general knowledge on various topics to solve this kind of PTQs. Let's see another type of question. This PTQ is based upon our observation skills. We open the Google web page n number of times. Let us see we can solve this question or not. Identify the correct sequence of colors appearing in the Google logo starting from left to right. So in the Google logo, whenever we open the Google web page, each alphabet of Google is of another color. So we need to find the correct sequence. So there are four options given. Let us see which is the correct sequence. C is the correct option. So this question is totally based upon our observation skills. Let's solve another question. This is another type of PTQ. This is called sequencing PTQ, in where options are given and we need to put them in a proper sequence. So let's see this question. Following are the steps to make a paper plane. Some steps are given and we need to put them in a proper sequence. So if you read all the options, we will see that the D is the correct option. Let's see another kind of PTQ. Let's solve the another question. The image shown below has been drawn in one-point perspective. Find the object which does not fit in the perspective. To solve this question, we should have an idea about one-point perspectives and the three main characteristics of it, that is frontal planes, vanishing point and horizontal lines. So the correct option for this is A. A is not in the one-point perspective. Let's solve another question. Below is the image of a typical railway platform in India. From the below given words, choose 4 words which are most appropriate. So this question also has to be solved by the process of elimination. Start eliminating the wrong answers and choose the best answers. I will not be posting the answer for this question because I want you guys to solve this question and post the answers in the comment box. I hope all the doubts regarding the PTQs are solved and now there is no confusion regarding PTQs. Thank you guys for watching this video. Take care. Bye.